area. What's the
Today we're talking about 2017. What are your plans?
My people, another they don't reach you for another the talk show. But I don't say my name now Peter Pan, and I see the word Peter Pan TV. Charity they say begins at home. So before you go to the outside, go to look for them. My brother, you first check your house first so that you get them. I remember the first one of a door and I go for a door. But if you have problem with that, my brother, you have to call the palace. So in my native language, you used to say again, it means there's no time. I people there's no time. We are coming back because there's no time. You understand? We'll see you. Last week, one army personnel in the name of Corporal Lance Martin, you understand me? He came outside to lambaste their army service chief of staff in the person of Brigadier Burutai. Burutai is the army service chief of staff, which means he's the commander-in-chief of all the army military. You understand, in Nigeria. So this Corporal Lance Martin came out and said a lot of things about the guy, what the guy has been doing to the military, the reason why they've not been able to win the fight against Boko Haram. You understand? Now the Corporal Lance Martin be this. This is the guy. As I speak to you now, he's under detention. You are getting me now. This guy came out to actually open our eyes to tell us the reason why they've not been able to defeat the Boko Haram that me and you know that is terrorizing Nigeria. You understand me? Recall that in 2015, before this administration came into power, they promised us that they were going to defeat Boko Haram in 6 months. Behold, we are 5 years now into their government. Boko Haram is becoming worse every day. When this guy came to tell us what is happening in the military, he was even insulting their military head. He was insulting the Burutai. He was calling him a coward. That because of him, they are losing members. They are not being given ammunition to fight. My brother, many of us, we nearly want to kill the guy. We said, no, why will you come outside to talk about your army chief of staff? It's not right. It is wrong. What you are doing is wrong. What you are doing is not right. It's not right. My brother, if you know the reason why this guy came outside to speak against Burutai, you will not call Burutai a coward. You will call him melu melu. You understand me? I am telling you. Now, a military man from Boko Haram, from Sambisa Forest, and from Meduguri has reached out to me. I don't know how he got my contact to. The thing bows me. He sent me a message, private message, with disturbing images that I am going to show you. You understand me? He told me how they were being killed, how they were being laid ambush. In fact, we had a very, very long conversation. You they get me? For phone call. He told me what did happen. He said it is only the media that can come to their rescue. If you see where they kill people like chicken, like fowl, Christmas fowl not even Christmas fowl not they plenty like that too. And when surprised me past, now young military army and they kill. Of which according to them, many of them their family don't know say their pikin don't die. You don't understand me? I beg. We dey come back for those of you wey this will not be video na just image. I don't want to just show am for my screen here. I want to show am full so that una go see am, make una understand wetin made that guy come dey insult the army service chief of staff, and una go really tell una sef whether that even that coward wey they call that man, whether that coward not too expensive for such person. You understand me? We dey come back. Oya flip. You see the images and what that guy said. He said we should please help them because they are being killed. That is military. Military people, they kill like that. You saw the image. This will not be saying, now the bush, now where they don't kill them, they go pack them come. Now it be like that. They want to go give them mass burial. You see what did happen for the country? You where they come deceive 2015. Under good law, Boko Haram, they kill every day. We are going to kill them in 6 months. You see what is going on. If the thing not shock you, it shock me, my brother. That is our gallant army military personnel being slaughtered, being killed like Christmas chicken. I believe so. You see am? So my people are beg. One thing I want beg una. Make una image this. All these pictures, all on your watch, they're not the internet too. All this one are waiting, they know what they see. You understand me? They don't block all these things. You cannot find all these raw images. And the truth be that. You don't visit them. I beg. Whether they Buhari, they don't know all these things, so me, I don't know. See, the service chief officer, this army chief officer, put on. This is the guy. Brutal. I don't understand you. Is it that you take delight? You they happy say that they kill these people because una they feel recruit every now and then. I make una they ladies incessant killing on Nigeria. A whole gallant army. If una no fit fight it, how you go tell me say army no fit finish Boko Haram fight? Me no job they understand. They no fit finish Boko Haram fight since 2009. Now this same man be the army chief of staff for how long now? Now they don't tell Buhari say remove this man, they not agree. Do otherwise, they not agree. Do the useful thing, they not agree. My brother, how want to survive? Then first you can't call him coward. You can't go to arrest the boy. My brother, that guy like you. That's why he's even calling you a coward. You are a goat, melu, and you be because you don't even deserve to be called coward. You understand? Just imagine, I beg, more can let me share this video. You understand? If you like, share and go give Brutal. Anyway, if you hear me, it's a big disgrace on you that this kind of thing happen under our nose. Look at how will you be happy seeing your children being killed like this in this manner? This military not be say they don't want to fight. They are ready to die for the country. Give them weapon, you not agree. Give them ammunition. If you don't understand the meaning of weapon, give them ammunition. You not agree. You say me they go to fight Boko Haram. They set them up, they kill them. The other day one say no go better for you. My brother, I don't know what I'll tell you for that one. Because if they come outside they swear for you, now you say you get problem. You understand? If body no when ahead they check first. Now maybe they come they blast you. Can't it be this one now? Why would you just be letting these people my people are beg go, are they beg. Anyway on official this they go more can share them a beg. Nigerian military they need to na prayer also. It's not easy for them. These guys are people children, are people father, now people brothers, now they be. Now them just don't die like this. Not be saying a better war now, where they'll say they go na country fight country. They come die hero, they will be remembered for an lie. These people now they don't bury them now. In fact, we don't even know say this kind of happen. You understand me? I beg. Now so the matter be. we die. Change your ways, otherwise, and people are beg. We get many talk today. More come on here, flip. The news wey just they scatter everywhere now, wey just they go everywhere now, wey just they disturb everybody now. Now the Chief Attorney General of Nigeria and the person of Malami and the EFCC boss, una already know him now. The man go that my way mouth black like who they smoke igbo. We get one guy big guy. I don't know where that man come from. You don't understand me? The thing don't bounce me today say. These people now they wake up say this man corrupt. See, I talk to Nigerians first. Do you know say we Nigerians, including me, we are the most foolish people in the world where I don't ever see. You know why they talk? We don't get sense. Even me say why they talk and I don't have sense. You know why I'm saying it? Look, anything will come outside, we don't happen before. We they take them as new news. We they embrace them, we they buy them. We they buy stupidity of the government. We they buy them every day. You know why? I will tell you, this Magu and Malami case, not be today start to. See, I want to play a video for you. Under the 8th Senate, under the then Bukola Saraki, Magu was rejected twice or thrice as to become the EFCC chairman, even until yesterday where APC go arrest him, DSS, I don't know who arrest him. He wasn't confirmed as the chairman of EFCC. So I don't know what of them can carry away now because now everybody don't sing and say Buhari is fighting corruption. I don't understand though. Magu and the EFCC, they are already corrupt since inception when that man the office. Now he make under this then Senate, the 8th Senate under Bukola Saraki. They don't already talk, say this man, they don't go confirm him as EFCC chairman, but now people don't forget. Now everybody call the talk now, yes. This government is working now. They don't arrest Magu. Magu has been a corrupt criminal even before now. If not, why they never fear arrest? Why is it say our politicians they are going scot-free? Not be the same people arrest all Jews or Kalu when they spend how many minutes for inside prison, they bring and come outside. Not be the same people invite all this Munfa, them Hush Puppy, they not physically convict them till today. Now I can't wake up, call the talk say Magu corrupt. Corruption kill you there. You not fair no. I beg. The one where they talk like now and every the entire my head. Make Mo will go back. Mo will go see where them Bukola Saraki no agree confirmer. We they come back. You understand me? Oh yeah, flip.
The Senate in a closed session deliberated on issues bordering on the workings of the Senate in particular and National Assembly in general. The Senate also deliberated on the screening of the nominees of the EFCC as it relates to the security report on them. Following the security report on the EFCC chairman, the Senate decided not to confirm the chairman and communicate him to Mr. President. The Senate also decided to refer other nominees to the Anti-Corruption Committee for screening since there is no other security on them. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the closed session?
So after that, the acting EFCC chairman was seen hurriedly leaving the National Assembly complex, and it is not yet clear at this point what the president's reaction to this second rejection of Magu's confirmation will be.
You don't see him, you don't watch him. You don't see say, not be today this Magu case, not be today start. He don't take. Not be say now when they call it do all this their drama. This one say he arrest Magu. Magu they arrest him. Magu has been a corrupt criminal official. Let me corruption for Nigeria. The fight not move forward. Because himself they corrupt. You see how many times Bukola Saraki and the Senate they turn him down? They say no, Buhari still put him there. Now the same thing they happen for this army service chief of staff where they don't they beg and since remove them, they not agree. You don't understand me? Now the EFCC chairman be this. You not see him mad. You just be like with the smoke and in the smoke igbo. And this people I go put for office. If many looking at this man alone, facial expression. You know say Oyibo if they want to employ you say facial expression their criteria how they look. This man don't look like criminal. They go they confirm. They just look 200 and something plus million people for Nigeria. They don't know they want to do EFCC boss and these criminal people. Meanwhile, there are some intellectuals, Nigerians, people like us, you understand. We busy with the Europe for how many years now? We don't get sense. Many of us don't undergo their security stuff, you understand. We don't already know what they do. They not feel recruit us. We understand security system, how they work, how Beru they work. They not feel recruit us. Make because they handle all this security issue. They will go they use all these foolish people. Say na Magu be here. You they see their life. And this Malami make I ever talk to you. Now the Attorney General be this. According to their case, if they accuse the CFCC say they carry out duty where they know they involve them, they operate on their own. You understand? Normally they're supposed to work hand in hand. Now I say correct. You know say even this Malami you are a corrupt man. In Azo Nigeria be see matter they play. When this one chop, you not give this one, and this one come say this one chop, you not give this one. This now the waiting they cause and they will come begin the indict themselves. Now so they be. Now Malami the verse now say maybe this man now he don't do one deal. You understand? He don't do one deal where he don't hammer. He don't involve the Attorney General. Now he can salate boss so. Now so Africa be, and so Nigeria be. We can chop together, we will quiet, nobody go know. But the moment you decide to eat alone, you don't involve the party B. That problem with that. Now so they be. Now so the matter they be. All this one they just they make noise. Now Magu now go come outside. You even see that they go arrest them, they don't get evidence. Now when they arrest them, they go to investigate. Now so African matter they view. We they arrest before they investigate. Why will you go investigate before they go arrest? So that when they will reach court, they don't waste your time. In most cases now you go even court or say yes, now true I go. You understand? And now they go they raid the house, go they disturb everybody, they don't let anybody hear what. I bet more flip, more come out here. Nigeria, yeah, matter na say the condition of the problem, the big pass the matter. I say they be. More flip. I come across one pastor, I don't know his name, I don't even know the church where he come from. He dey preach one sermon on Sunday and he was talking to his congregation and the entire world. I see sense in waiting this man they talk because if you see people where they make sense, you need to listen to the sense, to the sensible thing where they talk about. The man was trying to equate Hush Puppy and Dangote, the followers of Hush Puppy and the followers of Dangote, and now the society they influence people. Because you never wonder why husband and wife they resemble if they don't date together. Because you know why? Most of the reasons why according to society because they stay together, they look each other every day. You understand? They are almost reacting to the same pros of situation. So thereby nature will come align them together. Now so the world be. Now waiting you watch, now you they become. Now people, now waiting you listen to, now they go through your head, now you they manifest. You understand? Now who you aspire to be, now you they resemble. Now so the matter they be. Now when he dissect all these things, I can't reason with them. Hush Puppy where they do fraud, he get 2.something million followers, which means those 2.something million followers, at least maximum 100 from 100,000 from inside. They will they do Yahoo. You understand? But Dangote will be the richest man in Africa because he suffer making money. Because if you want to ask Dangote, now you do make your money. Dangote can tell you, I spent like 20 years walking in the wilderness, sourcing for my money. But Dangote has only, me personally, I go check out for Instagram, about 188,000 followers. Now you get. I beg, we will come back for those of you who never watched this video because it's very, very important and very, very vital. You don't get me? We are coming back. For your flip.
Hush Puppy has 2 million followers plus. Dangote, the richest man. You will know where Nigerian roots are going. The leaders are not the one destroying you. Who you are following is destroying you. You see, what you continually look at, you will look like. Whatsoever you continually look at, you will look like. If you are always looking at a madman that is tripping you, madness is, you will be mad. If you're always looking at a thief, see Big Brother Africa, they cancel Big Brother Africa and created Big Brother Nigeria. Do you know why? They know that you like the food. You will come on net and say, nonsense, they are opening body, but they are getting 1.4 million views. Is it spirit that is watching it? It is you. They said it does not pay us to host for Africa. Let's host for Nigeria alone. We will make much more profits. Hush Puppy has 2 million plus. Dangote, the richest man in Nigeria and Africa, has 183,000 people, followers. And you say you want to be rich. You are following a fraudster. You left a business magnate. We are not even talking of Bill Gates. You say now, now, Dangote, or Tedola even try 1.1 million. How can an Hush Puppy have more followers than Otedola and the Dangotes? Shame on our generation. Shame on the youth.
You see when they talk about it. See, when I hear this video, quickly I run go check my Instagram. I enter Hush Puppy, I enter Aliko Dangote. Aliko Dangote is just 188,000 followers. Check him. You know, pass. This is the richest man in Africa. The number one. We not follow him. Even me not follow him. Because why? We don't want to suffer the way he suffer making money. Everybody wants scam the next man we in see for road to take get money. Now make many of us they follow Hush Puppy. Otherwise, Hush Puppy not supposed to even be a public figure who's supposed to follow. What do you want to learn from him? Two things: either you learn how to steal or do Yahoo, or you learn how to come do Yahoo finish without sense, because Hush Puppy not get sense. You understand? You learn how to do Yahoo finish without sense, then you begin go the use them. Till they carry women, or till they do Gucci, or till they buy Rolls Royce. Then go they live for another man's country, they mumu. You understand me? This is high time for us to follow the positive mind, because they say, show me your friend and I'll tell who you are. Positivity, now they bring about positivity. Negativity cannot bring about positivity, you understand? If you want to be rich in a genuine way, people like Aliko Dangote, now we're supposed to be aligned with. You do understand me? Not be saying, they don't need to tell you. Say once you follow negative path, you become negative. Not till I say, some people say, I'll go there, go change. How you want to change them? Some people like, now you want to change. My brother, you cannot be there. Surely you will join them. That's so the matter they be. I beg, no with the seat from following this kind. Many of them in the social media where they don't get legit something they do. This is the time for us to run, leave them before they will corrupt us. Do you understand? Because evil communication and they corrupt good manners. Maybe I get good manners. I don't want to be corrupted by people. I beg we are coming, but don't go anywhere. Flip. watching this edition of the talk show. I just want to say I appreciate those of you who have been following and be keeping tabs on our post. You understand? I really commend and appreciate you all. I beg, more can help me to share video, more can help me to tell our friends. Make them subscribe. It's not easy for me. I know the kind of content we they expect. Very soon I will get to where I aspire to be. You understand? So that at the end of the day we can be enjoying this program. I beg, more can help me to share. You understand? And they help me subscribe, comment, tell me if the thing not good. Message me, inbox me the area where you want make I improve. That's what we take the group. I am open for learning. You understand me? I have not arrived. Don't think say I know they listen to advice. My brother, I will see you again on another edition. Hopefully this time around, all this Magu case, it will not come out. You get me now. I will see you now.